Worried about your outdoor outlets getting damaged by rain or moisture? Here's how to keep them safe and functional. Start by installing weather-resistant outlet covers to shield against rain and snow. Always use GFCI outlets outdoors, as they automatically cut power if moisture is detected, reducing the risk of electric shock. Place outlets in sheltered spots, away from direct exposure and water sources like pools or sprinklers. Regularly inspect for signs of rust, cracks, or moisture, and replace damaged covers right away. Budget between $10 and $50 for GFCI outlets and $5 to $25 for weather-resistant covers.